So today's possession day, so what did we get?
What did we get? We got a 40 unit, life lease 55 building.
Yeah, well, we've had worse days. Possession day. So this is a very exciting day for all of us, and obviously the company grows, so we have more things to do, more things to learn, more people to employ as we grow through this. But possession day is always, we have a tradition where we take a selfie, a picture of ourselves in front of the building. So we'll be doing that, and we always make sure that we try and talk to as many tenants as possible, because we want to make sure we're fully introduced. They always have concerns, are they going to get evicted? Is the rent going to go up? How do I pay my rent? They all have the same questions, but they're all valid questions as well. So we want to make sure we're going to be there today to answer those questions and meet and greet as many people as possible. This is a slightly different building for us, with it being a 55 plus. So, they have more concerns as well about how they're going to be cared for. I mean, it's not an assisted living, but it is a building where there's a community, because it has a common area and a kitchen. So it's a very community-based apartment building, and we're privileged to be a part of that, and want to get to know as many as we can do, while we're there. So we're going to make the trip now and do that, and we'll share some videos of, well, in this video we'll have video footage of the property as well. So today's possession day, so what did we get?
What did we get? We got a 40 unit, life lease 55 building.
Yeah, well, we've had worse days.
Do you want to go first, or should I?
Oh, why don't we go together?
Okay.
Yay! So here is the 40 unit, 3 floors, 1 elevator. We're very pleased with this purchase. Taking a good walk around the building to check it out, see how it is. Obviously you always do another inspection, make sure it's the same as when you agreed, but it's an apartment building, things are always changing, so we don't get too worried about it. Been raining, so everything's nice and wet and clean. But yeah, very happy with this purchase. It's definitely like up to date, for sure. The newest building we have, and being a life lease is different. This is around the back of the building where there's parking spots. There's parking free. Everybody has their own assigned parking spot.